Waking up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps is more than just an inconvenience. It can disrupt your sleep, sap your energy, and even affect your overall mobility. For many seniors, leg cramps are a signal that the body isn't getting the nutrients it needs to keep muscles relaxed and functioning smoothly. The good news is that a well-balanced diet can help prevent these cramps naturally, restoring strength and confidence without the need for expensive treatments. Today, we're going to explore 8 powerful foods that have been scientifically shown to reduce leg cramps and support muscle health in seniors. Each of these foods plays a unique role in maintaining muscle function, improving circulation, and ensuring that you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to move. Let's dive in. Bananas. Bananas are widely known as nature's electrolyte pills, and for a good reason. They're packed with potassium, a mineral that is essential for regulating muscle contractions and nerve signals. Low potassium levels can cause muscles to contract involuntarily, leading to the painful cramping that many seniors experience, especially at night. A medium banana typically provides about 400 milligrams of potassium, helping to restore the balance your muscles need. In addition to potassium, bananas contain a modest amount of vitamin B6, which supports nerve function. This combination not only helps to prevent cramps, but also eases the discomfort associated with nerve irritation. Bananas are versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Enjoy one as a quick snack, slice it over your oatmeal, or blend it into a morning smoothie with a handful of spinach for extra nutrients. For seniors who are mindful of their blood sugar levels, opting for slightly green bananas can provide the same benefits with a lower glycemic impact. Next up are avocados, a nutrient-dense fruit that quietly outperforms many other foods when it comes to muscle health. Avocados are rich in both potassium and magnesium, 2 key minerals that work together to keep your muscles relaxed and prevent cramping. They also provide healthy, monounsaturated fats, which help reduce systemic inflammation, a common cause of muscle discomfort. What makes avocados so beneficial is their ability to support nerve function and improve the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin D. This vitamin plays a crucial role in calcium regulation, which is essential for muscle contraction. Together, these nutrients create a powerful anti-cramp combination. Avocados can be easily added to your meals. Try spreading mashed avocado on whole grain toast, slicing it into a fresh salad, or blending it into your smoothie. Their creamy texture and mild flavor make them an excellent addition to any diet aimed at reducing leg cramps, while also supporting overall cardiovascular and joint health. Spinach. Spinach is more than just a common salad green. It's a nutritional miracle for muscle health. Loaded with magnesium, spinach plays a crucial role in muscle relaxation and the regulation of nerve signals. Magnesium deficiency is often linked to muscle spasms and cramps, making it essential for older adults to include magnesium-rich foods in their diets. Beyond magnesium, spinach is also a great source of natural nitrates. These compounds convert into nitric oxide in your body, which helps dilate blood vessels and improve circulation. Enhanced blood flow means that more oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles, reducing fatigue and the likelihood of cramps. For maximum benefit, consider incorporating spinach into your daily routine in different forms. Enjoy it raw in salads, blend it into a green smoothie, or lightly steam it to make the nutrients even more bioavailable. Even a small serving of spinach can significantly contribute to maintaining your muscle health and overall vitality. 4. Pumpkin seeds. Often overlooked, pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are tiny but mighty when it comes to fighting muscle cramps. They are among the richest natural sources of magnesium, an essential mineral that helps your muscles relax after contraction. Just an ounce of pumpkin seeds can provide nearly 40% of your daily magnesium requirement, which is critical for preventing the spasms that cause leg cramps. Pumpkin seeds also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that aids in the production of serotonin, and melatonin, hormones that regulate sleep. For seniors, ensuring a good night's sleep is vital, as restful sleep helps your muscles recover and reduces the risk of cramping during the night. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds over your yogurt, toss them into a salad, or simply enjoy them as a crunchy snack. Their high nutrient density and ease of consumption make them an ideal addition to a daily anti-cramp regimen. Fatty fish. Omega-3s for inflammation and repair. Fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines, rank high on the list because they provide a unique blend of nutrients that work to reduce inflammation and support muscle repair. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, which are known to reduce the inflammatory processes that accelerate muscle breakdown in aging bodies. Moreover, fatty fish are an excellent source of high-quality protein, supplying all the essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. They also provide vitamin D and calcium, both of which are crucial for muscle function and maintaining bone strength. For best results, try to incorporate fatty fish into your diet at least twice a week. You can grill or bake salmon with a squeeze of lemon and a drizzle of olive oil, or add sardines to a hearty salad. If fresh fish isn't readily available, canned options or high-quality fish oil supplements can also deliver these muscle-protecting. Yogurt. Yogurt is another versatile food that offers a robust mix of protein and calcium, both of which are essential for maintaining muscle mass and preventing cramps. Greek yogurt, in particular, is highly valued because its straining process concentrates the protein content, meaning you get nearly twice the protein of regular yogurt in a similar serving size. Calcium is not only critical for strong bones, but also plays a vital role in muscle contraction. When combined with vitamin D, which many yogurts are fortified with, the result is a powerful formula for muscle maintenance. Moreover, the probiotics in yogurt help support gut health, which is increasingly recognized as an important factor in overall nutrient absorption and inflammation control. Enjoy yogurt as a breakfast snack or an evening treat. Pair it with fresh berries or a drizzle of raw honey, more on that later, for extra flavor and nutritional boost. For those who are lactose intolerant, there are many plant-based yogurts available that are fortified with calcium and vitamin D7. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most versatile and cost-effective sources of high-quality protein, making them indispensable for muscle repair and growth. Each large egg provides about 6 grams of complete protein, along with a host of essential nutrients like vitamin D, choline, and leucine, the amino acid that directly stimulates muscle protein synthesis. Leucine is especially important for seniors whose muscles become less responsive to protein intake as they age. Research shows that consuming whole eggs, not just egg whites, after exercise, results in a significantly greater muscle-building response. Despite past concerns about cholesterol, moderate egg consumption, up to 7 eggs per week, is now recognized as safe and beneficial for most older adults. For optimal benefits, prepare eggs using gentle cooking methods, such as boiling, poaching, or lightly scrambling them in a bit of olive oil. Eggs can be incorporated into any meal, breakfast, lunch, or even as a protein-rich snack, making it easier than ever to keep your muscles strong and resilient. 8. Almonds. Last but not least, almonds round out our top 8 with their impressive nutrient profile. Almonds offer a balanced mix of protein, magnesium, and vitamin E. Magnesium helps relax muscles and supports nerve function, which is essential for preventing cramps. Vitamin E acts as a potent antioxidant that protects muscle cells from the oxidative stress that accelerates muscle loss as we age. Almonds also contribute healthy monounsaturated fats and a small amount of calcium, further supporting muscle contraction and overall muscle health. A small handful, around 10 to 15 almonds, provides a significant nutrient boost without an excessive calorie load. They're convenient, portable, and can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. Enjoy them as a mid-morning snack. Sprinkle chopped almonds over your oatmeal, or blend them into your smoothie for an extra crunch. Opt for raw or dry roasted unsalted almonds to keep the benefits intact without adding unnecessary sodium or processed oils. Take care of yourself because you deserve a life free from pain and full of vitality.